of this filter. Let's take an example. User is looking me for plenty of things which is changing at runtime. For that purpose, I'm having one system available. Say, let me say I'm having this data with me. Let me change the space because I do require all columns to be there. So I'm saying if the user is writing me, say I'm looking for consumer and sale should be greater than 500. There are two conditions which I'm currently looking for. If my values matching with two conditions, I should get data here, or I can filter out the data. So let's see the steps. This is part of advanced. So I'll go in data, I'll click advanced filter. So it's selecting the values and condition criteria range. I say this is my criteria range, and copy to is highly recommended. If you don't copy to it, filter this data only, which is not recommended. Let's say try this filter. So it filter the existing data, which is not recommended. I'll say Control Z. I'll go again. I'll say data is this, which is selected. Criteria range is my this one, and I want data to be copied at this location. This location only. Once I click, I'll be getting the filtered output only. If I further filter, say I'm looking for category only, which is pertaining to furniture. That for that I'll go for again. Conditions are there. Condition if it's not same, you can change it. And copy to, I'm saying data to be copied at different place. Then you can choose the place where you want to copy. Let's say this time I want to copy data here. So earlier output was that on further I filtered out furniture. This is there. This is a part of advanced filter which you can allow user to select the categories, or you can select the conditions based on their requirement.